The lengths of a pair of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are 24 cm and 12 cm. If the sum of their perimeters is 120 cm, find the perimeters of these two triangles. If the difference in the areas is 420 cm square, find the areas of these two triangles. So if we draw the triangles, a rough drawing just to get a sense of the sides, and if we name them, so A, B, C, D, E, F, and if I write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, okay, and BC suppose is 24 centimeters and EF suppose is 12 centimeters. So, and no, before we need to do the other ones as well. So let AB be A and AC is B, and DE is X and DF is Y. So perimeter of triangle ABC would be A plus B plus 24 centimeter, and perimeter of triangle DEF would be X plus Y plus 12 centimeters. Now because they are similar, as the triangles are similar, so we can write that A out of X equals B out of Y equals 24 out of 12. Or we can write, or A out of X is 24 out of 12, that's 2, and B out of Y is also 2. So therefore A is 2x and therefore B is twice of Y. So once we get that and we add up the perimeters, so sum of perimeters equals A plus B plus 24 plus X plus Y plus 12, and that equals 120. So we can write, instead of A plus B, we can write 2x plus B is twice of Y, and then plus X plus Y equals 120 minus 24 plus 12 is 36, and therefore we can write 3x plus 3y equals 6, that's 4 and 11, 84. So we get x plus y is 3 times 2 is 6, 8, 28. So if you get x plus y is 28, so therefore you can say that perimeter of DEF, triangle DEF, equals 28 plus 12, and that is 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 40 centimeters, and perimeter of triangle ABC would equal, so we know x plus y is 28, and then we can say, oh, we don't have to go there. This is 120 given. So all we can do is 120 minus 40, and that is 80 centimeters. And that's the answer. So we can just write the perimeters of these two triangles are 40 centimeters and 80 centimeters. So that's done. So then we have to work out the area. So for the area bit, I'm just going to erase the perimeter part. So once we do that, then for the area, BC is the base, and we assume a height h1 for triangle ABC and h2 for triangle DEF, and the heights would also be proportional. So if the heights are proportional, then we can write, one moment, just clean it up, and then so what I can write is heights. So if I drop a perpendicular, like this is height 1 and this is height 2, so then I can write half. So the difference in their areas, okay, half times h1 times 24 minus half times h2 times 12 is 420. It's the difference in areas. So 2 times 12 is 24, 2 times 6 is 12. So 12h1 minus 6h2 is 420. Now, because it's similar, so even the heights would be proportional to the sides, so we can write h1 out of h2 is 24 out of 12. h1 is twice of h2. So therefore, h1 is twice of h2, so I can write that here, that this I can simplify this a little bit. So it's dividing throughout by 6. I can say 2h1 minus h2 is 70. Yeah, 6 times 7 is 42. And then I can now, instead of h1, I can write twice of h2. So 2 times twice of h2 minus h2 is 70. So 4h2 minus h2 is 3h2 and 3h2 is 70. So I got height h2 is 70 out of 3. So I got the height of one of the triangles. So once I have the height, I can find the area. So I can say area of triangle H2 I said is DEF. So triangle DEF would be half times 70 out of 3 times 12. That's the base. So then 3 times 4 is 12 and 2 times 2 is 4. So that is 140 centimeters square. So one of the areas is 140 centimeters square and the other area would be, so the area of triangle ABC would equal 420. The difference is that, so it would be 420 plus 140 plus 140. That would be 0, 6 and 5. 560 centimeters square, because if one is 560, the other is 140, and you subtract them, you would get 420. So if I write, the areas are 140 centimeters square and 560 centimeters square.